as a biopharma industry, have started to recognize as value through innovation. And the hope would be that some of these now, over time, become standards within the entire biopharma value chain, and then we're able to all extract value. So it's a great, there were some case studies here, and I've got a slide at the end that sort of pulls it all together. But some of the examples of the case studies we developed was automated machine learning-based workflows where you to reduce the sample sequencing by days right now. You can take a look at how many days it would per earlier take to write down for the sample sequencing. We used machine learning, and then we basically used this entire sequencing operation right now and figured out a way to actually cut the time down. And again, the key over here was I should have said this, when we got the 40 use cases, what we didn't do was go and say, let's figure out a partner who has a cool tool that we can deploy today. And what we didn't do was say, let's figure out a use case based on somebody who has a generic need. We said it had to meet 3 criteria. 1, anything we deployed needed to have a problem statement that we could quantify as being problematic to the overall value chain. B, we became brutal about measuring ROI. We said, this is not going to be AI for the sake of AI so that we can publish something or I can have a nice presentation for TiEcon. It was about trying to ensure that the ROI was almost surgically computed, right? We needed an as case, and then whoever implemented it had to come back and take the value and then give it back, right? So it wasn't about keeping the values, within the process and then passing it on to one part of the supply chain.